Sea stars are marine invertebrates. Marine means they live in the ocean, and invertebrates means that they don't have a backbone. Sea stars make our list of weird and wild because they eat very differently than we do. Our food goes into our mouth and down to our stomach, but a sea star's stomach comes out of its mouth to eat. They love to eat clams, which have two shells held together by a strong muscle. The sea star will use its tube feet that have little suction cups on the end to hold on to either side of the clam, pry it apart just a little, and bleh, they spit out their stomach into the clam. The stomach will dissolve the clam into a nice clam slushy and suck it back in. They digest their food outside their body. How's that for weird and wild?